Subscribe for more content, comment your thoughts, let's get started.
Good evening. Welcome to Gourmet Bistro. How many are in your party tonight?
Good evening, it's just the two of us.
Here are your menus. Can I start you off with something to drink? We have a selection of wines, cocktails and soft drinks.
I'll have a glass of red wine, please. What do you recommend?
Waiter. Our house red is a lovely Merlot. It's very popular.
That sounds perfect. I'll have a glass of Merlot.
And I'll have a sparkling water, please.
Excellent choice. I'll be right back with your drinks. Waiter. Here are your drinks. Are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes?
We're ready. I'd like to start with the Caesar salad.
Would you like to add chicken or shrimp to your salad?
Yes, please add chicken.
Certainly. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled salmon with a side of steamed vegetables.
Excellent choice. And for you, sir?
I'll start with the tomato soup, please.
Would you like the cup or the bowl?
I'll have the bowl.
Very good. And for your main course?
I'd like the filet mignon, medium rare, with a baked potato.
How would you like your potato? We have butter, sour cream, cheese and chives.
Just butter and sour cream, please.
Great. Anything else?
Could we also get an order of garlic bread for the table?
Of course. I'll put that in right away. Your food will be out shortly.
This place has such a nice atmosphere.
Yes, it's very cozy. I'm looking forward to the meal.
Here is your Caesar salad and your tomato soup. Enjoy your appetizers. The main courses will be out soon.
Thank you.
Here is the grilled salmon with steamed vegetables for you and the filet mignon with a baked potato for you. Is there anything else I can get for you right now?
No, everything looks perfect. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
The salmon is delicious. How's your steak?
It's cooked perfectly. This place is great. We should come here more often.
Definitely. I'm glad we decided to try it out.
How was everything?
It was wonderful, thank you.
Yes, everything was excellent.
I'm glad to hear that. Would like to see the dessert menu.
Sure, let's take a look. The chocolate cake looks amazing. I'll have that.
I'll go with the cheesecake.
Great choices. I'll be right back with your desserts. Here are your desserts. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Here is your check. Take your time.
Thank you.